The study of aerodynamics of vehicle plays a crucial role while designing a body profile for any vehicle. By improving the aerodynamic performance of the vehicle, one can improve the vehicle's overall high-speed performance for any vehicle. So friends, my name is Kalpesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Automotive Cracks. In this video, I am going to discuss why vehicle has a bobtail shape at rear. If you are new and haven't subscribed my channel, I am kindly requesting to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you will get all the notification about this channel. I have already uploaded a video titled drag coefficient for various body shapes, and in that video I discuss about the what is drag coefficient and how the drag coefficient affects the overall aerodynamic performance of vehicle. And later on in that video I discuss about the drag coefficient for various body shapes. I have already mentioned the approximate value of drag coefficient for that various body shapes, and we concluded that the teardrop shape has a least drag coefficient and the value is approximate 0.05. This is because when a teardrop shape is placed in the moving airstream, as shown in this figure, the boundary layer produced by the air, it clings to the profile and follow the profile up to the end. This is the reason why this teardrop shape has to face a least air resistance. So the question is, why the manufacturers are not producing a vehicle which has a body shape like this? The reason is it is impractical, just because the outer body profile creates a vehicle's aesthetic look. If the manufacturers produce such kind of a shape in the vehicles, it affects on marketing. And second, this teardrop shape increases the overall length of the vehicle, which has no use. So considering the overall cost reduction and considering the marketing strategy, we can say it is impractical to design such teardrop shape for the body profile for any vehicle. So what we can do is, so the answer is here. In this picture you can observe a teardrop shape which is placed horizontally in the moving airstream. When moving airstream, it comes into contact with the body contour profile of this teardrop shape. It tends to attach and follows the contour profile of this shape. As I said, the majority resistance produced in this case, it is due to the viscous resistance, or you can say the resistance produced in between the adjacent layer while they are moving along with this teardrop shape. So this moving airstream, they clings to the body contour profile of this teardrop shape, and it follows the teardrop shape body profile till the rear end. In this picture you can observe that this point, it is the point of flow separation. Okay, this point, it is the point of flow separation. At this point, this boundary layer breaks and the flow separates. Okay, so from this point we can say that the turbulence or the vortices are produced at the rear end. In case of a teardrop shape, this area in which the vortices produces, it is quite less comparative to the other shape. This is the reason why the drag coefficient in this case, it is least. We have seen that is the 0.05. Okay, so again we can reduce the drag coefficient if we are able to reduce the area in which the vortices produces, because vortices, they are completely a negative pressure. In case of this shape, if we cut the teardrop shape from the point where the flow separation occurs this way, okay, then there is no change occurs in the area where the vortice is produced. That means the vortices or the negative pressure produced in both cases, they are completely same. Ultimately, we can say the drag coefficient produced in both cases before cutting this node shape and after cutting the node shape will remain same. The area in which these vortices are produced after cutting this node shape, it is known as a base area, and the vortices produced in this region which has a negative pressure, this drag, it is known as a base. So this is another term, because while we are discussing about the aerodynamics of a teardrop shape, majority it is affected by the pressure drag. But if we are cutting this teardrop shape in such a manner, or you can say from the point at which the flow separation occurs, it will have no effect on the drag coefficient, and the vortices, the negative pressure produced at the rear end, it is known as the base drag. So this shape, after cutting the tail of the teardrop shape, it is known as the bobtail shape. Okay, it is known as the bobtail shape. So this is the reason why the vehicle has a bobtail shape at rear, because by providing such kind of a shape, it will have no effect on the drag coefficient. So by providing such kind of a shape, we are trying to utilize less material, so less overall cost, and it has no effect on the drag coefficient. So that is the main point. So friends, now you have an answer that why each and every vehicle has a bobtail shape at the rear side, and why manufacturers are not providing the node shape at the tail of any vehicle. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed this channel, I'm kindly requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe button, so you will get all the notification about the activity of this channel. Thank you so much.